created a simple flow, which is nothing but that we have connected to an OData API through the destination. After that, we are getting some data from that destination, actually the OData APIs. Based on that, we have created a trigger form. And one more thing that we have created a decision rules with a complex logic. Then there is some other branches that we have created. How those how the scenarios has been executed, that we have covered three scenarios. One is if the employee is greater than 1 year, then it will go to the approval process. If it's less than 1 year, it will reject and it will send the process will send an rejection notification. Apart from that, there is another one scenario we have seen. The third scenario is if the employee has chosen the same location as well as um, the new location and the same location is same, then the employee rejection will be happen as well as it go to the rework. This is the process that we have seen yesterday. We have stuck and we have not able to create a second scenario use case. We got an error. I have checked that, guys. Now also that error is persist. I'm not able to trigger that instance. Let me share my screen. And I have deployed, released and deployed a latest version as well. Then also this error has been there. What we will do, we will create another one with a lab activity, interactive lab activity session, and we will check how this forms and the approvals are going on, how we can reach the all the three scenarios now. Okay. For that, I have to make some of the dependencies. Let me do that. We will start from an, okay, there is a events. To start a lab activity, I will delete the destination that we have created. So you guys know how to create a destination there. I will delete this. Before that, I will open this and take the service. This is main. Rest all fine. I will completely delete this destination. And the actions that we have created in process automation, I will delete that too. Oh, okay, this is fine. We will create another one actions. I think it can't be deleted. It will say it as a dependency. Say, yeah. Okay, guys. Can anyone of you share your screen and we will start this lab activity? Yeah, Akshita, are you sharing the screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You are in the destination, right? Okay. Just click create destination. Click on click destination. It up the header. No, no, not here. The header you see there's a create destination which is blue color inside it. Yes.
Okay.
Give the name as Northwind.
Others, we are performing the lab activity. Yeah?
Yes, yes.
Like, can you go a little bit slow? We can also do along with us. Okay.
Sure, sure. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, all of you just log into the RTP system and connect to the BTP services and let me know. We will do that.
So Adarsh, I have a question.
Yes.
Destination is basically used to populate the data at the destination server.
No, actually, destination is used to connect the different systems. Let's see if you have an on-premise system as well as the cloud system. How you will connect those systems? How you can access those APIs from the on-premise system from the cloud? For that, you will be creating a cloud connector as well as the destination. Once the destination has been created, via this destination URL and the what are the credentials that you have given or the authentication you have given while creating a destination, you can access those systems via the destination and you can directly access those APIs.
Okay. Got it. Thank you. Shall we start? I opened already others. Okay. Anyone of you
Okay.
stuck, just let us know. Okay. Otherwise, flow will miss.
Okay. Give not wind data service.
North America.
Not wind. Not wind. Data. Okay. Fine. The type is in the name you have some errors. It's showing the value state there. In the name, I think you should give underscore.
Okay.
Okay, click on this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just give the type HTTP is fine. Description. OData to connect a bill process automation. Not when OData to connect a bill process automation.
Okay.
Okay. Proxy type is internet. For now, we will give internet, but you open the drop down, you could see some of the proxy types like on-prem. No, the proxy type, yes. On-premise and private link. Based on the requirement, what are the systems that you are connecting, you should give the proxy type. Okay.
Okay.
Right now, it should be internet. That's fine. Authentication is no authentication is also one. But if you select the drop down value, can you select the drop down? Yes, if you will see these much of authentication we have in a BTP. One is basic authentication. If you choose the basic authentication, you have to give the what are the systems that you are connecting, those user ID and password. Who is going to connect? And the client certification is we have to attach a certification for this. No authentication is fine. OAuth to client credentials, it will take a bearer token as well as the XCSRF token, and the bearer jot bearer token is another one authentication that we have in a BTP. OAuth to password. This OAuth related to is based on the one. It's a SAML based assertion or the user exchange token. Other simple SAML assertion we will use. The SAML assertion is the another kind of authentication that we have in a BTP based on the trust configuration that we have declared for each and every services. While creating a services, we will do a trust configuration. Based on the trust configuration, we will choose this authentication, and most probably in real time we will go with SAML assertion, OAuth to jot bearer, or OAuth to client credentials. These are the authentication that we will be used. Okay. So click on new properties. Yeah, we have to add some of the additional properties here. So SAP dot application development dot application development.
Without any space, right?
No, without any space. Dot
Yeah.
actions.
Dot actions.
Dot enabled. Okay. You can give us true. The right side, yeah. True.
True.
True, yes, true. Okay.
Yeah.
Add another one property. SAP dot build dot usage. Not here, true. OData underscore gen. Here, configure
Data
OData underscore gen. gen.
GE.
N.
It's fine, right? N.
Yes. Okay, add another one property. SAP dot process automation dot enabled. Dot enabled. This set us true.
What is that? SAP dot?
SAP
Process
dot
automation.
yes, I will bring all these additional properties in the chat. You can use it later as well. Give that here true. Actually, okay, got it.
And what is
Okay.
the significance of this option? Checkbox. Use default JDK trust store.
Yeah, the JDK trust store is the another one property. Basically, we have some of the JDKs like SDK we are adding to the build process automation, right? We will have another JDK also. What is it will add some dependencies while creating a destination. It will act in a backend in a runtime scenario, the trust configuration kind of thing. Basically, we have to give the user default JDK only. It's a predefined. Right?
So we need to select this option, right? Checkbox.
Yes. You have to check that. Okay, click on save.
Yeah.
Scroll down.
Adarsh, what was that SAP dot application?
There is an additional properties, Pooja.
Yes. The
Okay.
full name you have written, SAP application.
I have pinged, I have pinged in a chat, chat window. You can take it there. What are the additional properties?
Okay.
Click on check connection. Yes. Now the auditor service is fine. Okay. Click on close. Fine. Now now we have created a auditor service. Go to your instance and subscriptions or under services. Click on services. Now next, yes. Go to instance and subscription, yes. Here open build process automation in the application. Yeah. Okay. I think there should be an option to change the language at the top. Oh,
Yeah. Great, right?
no. Before going to create, we have to add an action here. Okay. Go to actions. Yeah. Click create. Here, yeah, auditor destinations. Not in auditor service. Okay. It will show what are all the entities that has been available in this OData service, so that it's showing all the entities here. Can you collapse that the categories in the left side?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. If you see here, there are this much of entities available in this OData services. Right now, we are going to use only the employee entities for our working session. Okay. Yeah, we no need to select in this. What it's saying actually, what the browse OData destination page, why it's showing means if you expand that employee entity, what are all the operations, what are the CRUD operations that you can perform in via this entity that is it's showing here. Get entities from employees, post you can do, get entities for the employee keys you can do, and delete the entries, the employee entries from the entities you can do, and update the packs that you can do here. And all the employee related posts, get, patch, and put you can do here. These are all the available CRUD operations with these entities it's showing here. I think put is not there, right?
Sorry.
Put. Can you scroll to the up? CRUD operations. Patch is there, delete is there.
Put is not there.
Yeah, put is not there. Okay. You can't create that, I think. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, click on next.
Okay.
Just give a project name, a meaningful project name.
Same, this one.
You can give not wind. No. Project name, don't give the description name. Delete the description as well.
Yeah.
Here, in the top, there is a project name, right?
Mhm,
You have to
yeah.
delete that too. Yeah.
Will I copy this one?
No. Delete that.
Okay.
Delete it. Not wind. Northwind underscore API underscore actions. Yeah, you can copy paste the same in the description.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's showing what are in the previous screen that we have seen, right? The same it's showing, but we have to select what this what operations or what the entities as well as the actions or inputs that we are going to use via this API actions. For that, you can click on collapse that alphabetical list of products. Yes. Now you can see all the available entities here. If you scroll down, you can see the employee entities. Yeah. Expand that employee entity. Here, you have to choose. You have to be very careful, guys. You have more options to choose here. Okay, you have to be very careful what options you need to choose. We have going to choose the employee by key. Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Down. Yeah. No, stop here. Stop here. You could see here, right? Get entity from employee by key. Yeah. I have to check that.
This one, right? By key.
Yes. Others, have you please notice that we have to choose get entity from employees by key. You have to choose that. Are you following the session? You are creating
Yes,
similar,
others.
right? Yeah, okay. Please choose this. Don't choose the any other. Then you will go. You won't get any result from that. That's what I'm saying. Then you have to, if you choose any others like employees, employee ID and territories, then you have to give the territory values also there. Then only it will acceptable. Okay. Yeah. Click on add.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have, yeah, wait a minute. Okay. Now you have three options in this action window. Okay. Get entity, you have chosen, you could see all the information that what we have selected and what are all the input and output, everything you can determine here. If you want to add more this entity parameters like get entity from employee by key. If you want to add more, like if you want to add a sales order, get employee ID with the sales order number, then you can choose this add option. If you want to delete this, you can delete this as well. And in the right side in the detail page, there are three options you can see here as input, output, and test. What are all the inputs that we are going to give here for this entity set? Is employee ID is the key value. Okay, we have to give the employee ID, then only we will get a output from this. If we go to the output, okay, here the output we have three sections is header, body, scroll down. Yeah. Scroll to the bottom. Yeah, value. Okay, header and body, we have header and body section. If you see, can you go to that header section? Can you click on add here? Yeah. If you want to add any headers, like in some cases, how we will be doing, if you are going to connect, if you are going to access some of the third-party APIs, in that case, you will be able to get the XSRF token. Now we are connecting the, actually it's an RPA data API is an open API, so that we no need those XSRF token. But in real time, let's assume when you are going to connect a third party system, the client system is a third party system. Then you need to get the XSRF token. From that XSRF token, you have to get in values. Those what are the authentication that you have chosen in BTP. Additional to that, you have to connect to the XSRF. You have to get the XSRF token. So that here, how you will give here, and just you can add a new field, and you can give the X-CS RF token hyphen fetch. Then you will get those XSRF tokens here. Yeah. Guess you have used Postman in your project. Do you have any experience in Postman, the standalone tool? Any one of you?
No, no, I don't have.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. Fine, okay, got it. Because why I'm asking, you have a experience in Postman means once you get an API, then you can directly access, you can test whether the API is working fine or not. Because we no need to get a BTP access, we no need to create a destination, no need to perform all these actions. Simply, you can test it directly from the Postman with your system access itself. That is also possible. That way, we'll see it later how to use a Postman and all. Okay, that is very important while you working with BTP, because uh, with this build process automation, you may need to connect with multiple systems for triggering and mail or getting and file from multiple systems. Some of the client will have a DMS as a SAP document management system, or some of the client will have a content server, SAP content server. To connecting to the content server and accessing those files, and then you need to connect with the destinations. Then you have to add a file or fetch a file from there. Then the Postman will be more helpful for that. Then we will see in the next session how to access a Postman as well. Okay. Right now you can close this.
Okay.
Go to test, scroll down. Here, the test input values is, you have to give the any one of the 1 or 2, any number as per your wish. You can 1 or 2. No, not in the single quote, just
Outputs.
it's a number, yeah, it's an integer. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 will not work. Actually, that's what. You have to first check the entities. Can you go to the destination? Yeah,
Okay.
I will tell you how you can see the values in that, okay? Go to the
Okay.
destination, in the cockpit. In the cockpit, go to the destination. No, in the BTP, yes.
Yeah.
Destination. Open the destination that you have created. Okay, you can select any one of the destination because all the destination will have the same URL. Copy the URL.
Okay.
This is a OData URL. Okay. Execute
Okay.
in a browser.
Just give me a moment.
You just move to the left. That
Yeah. Just give me.
okay. Execute in a browser.
Yeah.
Here, once you execute this, yeah, once you execute this, you will see some of the informations like order details, customers, orders, products, shippers. What is this? This is an entity sets. These are all the entity sets that has been bounded to this OData service. First, before going to the direct entity set, you have to see the metadata, whether the metadata has what are the informations and what are all the properties that has been added to those entity sets in the metadata. Okay, that you have to check. If you are going to work in a SAP build process automation, ideally how it happens in a real time means the backend developer will give you the OData service like this. Right now we have an Northwind OData service like that. The SAP S4 HANA or the SAP ECC OData service we will be getting from the backend developers. Then we have to check the metadata. What the whether the metadata has all the informations with input values, output values, how we are going to pass those values. Sometimes you need to pass as a filter, or sometimes you need to pass the values with a single quotes with the URLs kind of thing. That you have to get the complete URL within the metadata URL. Then you have to test from the postman. Then you have to create a destination. A destination part you won't be you're not able to create in real time because the architects will take care of that. They will give just a destination name. You can consume those destination name in and build process automation, and you can create an actions. Okay, these are all the steps that you will be following in a real time while creating a build process automation project. That you will come to know once you work on this. You will, once you complete a one project, then you will get a hang on it, guys. It's a simple one only. Okay. Right now, in a URL, just add dollar metadata
Sorry.
next to dollar metadata.
After this.
Yes, after this dollar metadata. Yeah, enter it. Yeah. If here see that I have told you earlier, there are the properties. The customer ID is a entity type, but we have to see the entity set. What are the entity set that it's available? Because we have seen that the entity set as employees, but if you see in the entity type, you can see the entity type as employee. They have some, yes, they have some associations with the entity set as well as the entity type. Okay. Control F, click on Control F. Search for entity set.
Entity set.
Yes. Entity set. Yes. These are all the available entity sets in this metadata. Okay. Categories, customer demographics, customers, employees, order details, orders, products. These are all the available entity sets. Now we are going to execute only one entity set, which is a employees entity set. Okay, just copy this employees entity set.
The whole
No,
from here.
no, just copy the name only, employees.
This one?
The before to the one, the name.
Okay.
Only the name, only employees, only employee, copy the word employees.
Okay.
Yes, this is the entity set name. Okay. Okay, copy it, and in the URL, you can delete that metadata and just paste it. Delete the metadata and the dollar. Dollar is not needed. Okay. Enter
Okay.
it. Yeah. See, now once you access the employee entity set, once you add the employee entity set in a browser, you will get an XML version of data. This is not much readable, guys. What that you have to give, you need to convert this data to a JSON. Then it's more readable. Okay. What you add it here, question mark, dollar, add in a URL, question mark.
After employees, right?
Yes. Dollar.
Yeah.
Format is equal to JSON.
What?
JSON. JSON. JSON.
Right?
JS. Delete that A. A is not needed.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Execute this. Yeah. See here, you are getting a JSON. Actually, I think you have installed a JSON formatter so that it has been formatted now. See, these are all the available employees in this entity set. One is employee ID. For the first employee, you are getting all these informations. If you scroll down, yeah, this is the employee for the second employee. This is the information for the second employee. That is equal to JSON. You know, right? No, you have to give the employee ID as 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. You don't have, first you have to check what are all the properties are available in this entity set. Then you have to act according to that. Or else you won't get an output. That's what. Yes. You can give 1 or 2 or 3. Okay. Yes.
Okay. So here one.
Test. Click on test.
Yeah.
Now you are getting the information of the employee 1. Okay. This is the information of the employee from the entity set. Okay. Fine. Guys, you have done the same. Ganesh, Pooja, Tamil, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Now release this. You can test it for any other employees also. You can give 5, 10 like that. Where you have to give just drag it down that page. Don't not here. If you see there are 6 or 7 dots in the highlighted one, right? In this, yes, drag it down. Drag the pan to the down. Yeah. Now you drag it down. Here you will find this is a test preview. Okay. You can give any other employee ID here apart from 1, 1, 2, or 3, 4, anything.
Yeah, now it is showing for second employee.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Right now we have created an action. The action is northwind underscore APA underscore actions. This is the name of the action. Now we are going to, and we have tested all the things. If you want to get a result, most probably if you are accessing a or you are going to execute in a real time, I'm saying, okay, if you are going to execute a kappa moderator service, ideally how you will get an output value in the sense it will add a d dot result dot and the array of values like that you will get. While executing those APIs, you have to format some of the values. You have to add some value outputs here, how you need to get it in an process automation steps. Okay, for that, you can add an output parameter, what are all the output parameters that you need, or else if it's the default one is fine for you, you can just test and execute, you can test and you get the values that you can release and post it to the library. Okay, yeah, you now you can release this, click on release.
Release, right?
Yes, yes, add some note, initial release. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you have released this and you can see the released version as well. In the top, you can publish to the library. Yes, this is the released version. Yeah, publish it. It has been published. Now you can use this action in a process automation as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go to the overview. Not the BTP cockpit, not here. In that action editor tab here, go to the action editor tab. Here, overview is there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Here we can see what are the informations that we have used, how when the this actions has been created, who has been created, and the source. What are the source that we have given? You could remember that we have given the source as data destinations. Next, what are the members that has been available? Right now, we are in a public environment, public tenant, so that everyone can access these actions. We can restrict the members who can access these actions as well as who can't able to access. That we can create a group in BTP cockpit. We can tag those actions for that group. The group members only can access those actions. That is also possible here. These are the overview information of the actions available here. Okay. Then go to the build SAP build tab in a browser.
Okay.
Now we are going to check. First, we will check how the created actions is performing correct or not. Okay. Later we will use it in our APIs, in our process. Okay. For that, you have to create a simple process. Go to the lobby.
Okay.
Click on create. Yes, business process. Your project name as per your wish. But actually, we are going to reiterate the same uh, example that we have seen yesterday, employee relocation only. You can give a different name. Or you can give your name, Akshit, like space. Okay. Created it. Fine.
Yeah.
Now create a process. Relocation underscore AG, anything is fine. Give name as, yeah, click on create, add a description or yes, add. Okay, close this. Now add a simple trigger, add a trigger, yeah, submit form. Scroll down, yeah. No, no, once you over, no, not here, not close this. Once you
Hello,
go to,
Adarsh.
yes,
Sorry, actually, I am getting one error.
yeah,
Permitted quota of 20 was exceeded. Type project.
okay, can you please share your screen, Pooja? Akshit, 1 minute, we will
Yes.
check the
I am
error.
also facing the same error. Palas.
Okay.
Ganesh, share your screen. Na?
Ah, let me know once you are able to see. Okay.
Yes, I can see your screen.
See, it's giving like this.
No, I can see, okay. Permitted quota of 20 was executed type project. Okay, they are restricted with the quotas. We are not able to. Okay, we can delete some of the project which was not needed right now. Wait a minute, I will log into the the build lobby. I will delete it some of the project. Yeah, and another one thing, guys, that I have forgot to communicate you. Actually, why you are getting this error? Why they are restricting with the quotas? What are all the projects or what are all the instances that you are going to create in an BTP cockpit as well as in a build lobby, and how many users you are going to onboard it to a BTP cockpit? There are the cost specific to that. The SAP will add a cost based on the users, based on the instances, and what are all the transactions that you have performing from this BTP. You have to pay to the SAP with those numbers. Okay, they have some of the number criteria. If that number criteria has been reached, then you have to pay some more cost to that, so that where they are restricted with this the quota with the 20 or some numbers. Okay, this is why you are getting an error. Guys, actually, I have deleted one of the thing, but I'm not able to upload the backup in this Teams. Okay, can you, if any one of you delete and you can take a backup, you can share it to the others as well. Who has shared this in? Ganesh, can you go to the lobby?
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Lab underscore Ganesh that you have now created it, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you refresh it once? Okay, here the sales order management underscore one, the project is there, right? If this is the first one, oh, click on that. Okay, who has created this server plus one? I think is
Pooja.
Ashta Pujava. Okay. server plus one is Puja, right? Okay.
Yes, Adarsh.
Okay. What you can do, just you can delete this.
This one is still here.
Yeah, that will be available. Actually, now I have created one of the sales order management that we have created earlier, right? That is not needed. That's what you just take a backup. Click on the three dots in the options. Click on export. Yeah. Okay. Wait. You are in a RDP system, right?
Oh, yes.
It will be exported to the RDP only. You can't able to.
Save
Okay.
it.
Still, it will be available in the RDP. Okay, export it. You can log into the RDP system. You can import it at. That's a server possibility.
Export started.
Okay, it will download it. Okay. You can use it as a reference. That's why I'm asking to export it to you. Okay, export and keep it yourself. Later, when you have to. Okay, don't go there. Okay, that's it will download as an MTAR file. This is an extension for that. We will see how to import it later. We will first delete some of the projects now. If you see here, that in the versions, you have the drop down, right?
Where? Here.
Next, yes, click on that. These are all the deployed one. Okay, now go to the three dots. Can you check where you able to delete this project?
Okay, here.
Yes, delete it. It's giving an error. Okay, okay. Yes, it's giving an error. Okay, click on close. Close it. Close this window. This pop-up. Go to control tower. Go to environment. Public. Sales order management underscore one. That's the project we are looking for. Yeah, it's in the last. Yeah. In the right side, there is a pass. Click on undeploy. This is undeploy. We have once while we are deleting the project, first we have to undeploy it. Yes, click on undeploy. Then we have to release. But then we have to delete all the versions. Then only we can able to do that. Okay, go to lobby. Now go to sales order management, the second one, yes. Now don't go inside. There is a version, right? Okay, close this. Click on the versions. Yeah, okay. Delete all the released one.
One by one.
One by one, yes, delete it. Just it will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now delete the whole project. Okay. Okay, now it's 18, right? Two we have. Can you do it for two more? Because that would be fine. The same steps you have to follow.
I'm deleting my two.
Yours you are deleting. Okay, Tamil. Yeah. Fine.
On this one also,
First,
I'm
take a backup. Yeah. This you have created it now, right? Lab underscore Kanish.
no, it's the last time I did, but it is not useful now. Okay.
Okay, then you first take a backup, then you delete it. Don't delete it.
No need to take backup of this. Okay.
Okay, then
I
you
have
can
not
delete
done.
it. Okay. It will go, can you search in the first instance? It will go to the first instance, yes.
Others, sorry, I missed why are we deleting all these?
Actually, Ashna, once you creating a new project, there is a space, there's a restriction error that we have get more than 20 projects that we can't able to create it. So that we are deleting the existing project by taking a backup that we will upload it later.
Okay. And how are we taking the backup?
If you click on the three dots in the options, there is an option to export.
Okay, Adarsh.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay, guys, I think now we have 3 more space to create a project. Is that fine? Do you want to delete it more? I think Tamil is deleting somewhat, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah, do it.
Yeah, I have deleted 2 projects from my side.
Okay. Click on refresh. Okay, now it's 15. Good, okay. 5 more numbers to create it. Okay. Who is Ganesh, can you continue this? We can continue it.
Okay. Else Akshat, you can share your screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have created a process. Go to the process and create a form. Pooja and Ganesh, can you check whether you are now you can able to create a project? Pooja, can you check from your end? Are you able to create
Yeah,
it?
I have created.
Okay, okay, fine. Tamil, yes. Tamil, you too have the access to create it, right?
Yeah.
You are not getting any error, right?
Yeah, no issue.
Okay, okay, fine. Now click on create. Actually, go to an open editor. Open an editor in the 3 dots. Let's say
Yeah.
3 dots
Yeah,
are
yeah,
here. Yeah. Just add a header as well as the text based on the metadata. You have to refer the metadata. Okay. What are all
Just
the
break.
informations? Yes. Here you have to give the employee ID, title, hire date. We will get it directly from here. Okay.
Mhm.
Country.
Okay.
First, add the header part. There in the form, add the header part. Then we will go step by step.
Okay.
Others inside process, you are creating the form, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
This is a trigger form condition. Okay. Give a just relocation request. The header is relocation request.
We added this one. Okay.
Not here, not there. In the new headline, you have added it. Not there, not there, not there.
Okay.
Yes, here. Relocation request.
That's what type of form it is, like submit form or call API form?
It's a submit form.
Submit.
Is it-
Submit.
Yes.
Okay.
Delete the second new headline. It's not needed. You need to add a text instead of the yes. Yeah. Sorry. Actually, you should add a number. The employee ID should be the number. Sorry.
Okay.
Add a number. Yeah.
Okay.
Now the second value is
It's
country.
required, right? Mandatory,
It's
right?
required. Yes.
Now country. It should be text. Yeah.
Okay. Scroll down. You added another one text, not a read only.
Yeah.
It should be required, not a read only.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Then you click any other. Yes. Click on the text, country, and city.
Okay.
New city or a new location. Which location you are going to relocate? New location. No, don't give here. Add a drop down. Just give a city now. Okay. Or you can give a current city. Instead of city. Add it as current city.
Yeah.
Okay. Then add a drop down value.
Drop down from where?
In the left side.
So these should be drop downs now, country and city.
No, country and city are text. The new location is the drop down. Yeah. Before to that, the third or fourth one action.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. This is a new location.
Okay.
Enter the values, the drop down values in the right side. Some of
Manual,
the
right?
drop down.
Yeah.
Yes. Option 1, you can give any value, any city as your need. Okay. 3 what? You can give more. You can give 5 values. That will be fine. 2
Okay.
values as your own, or 3 values as your own, or and get some values in the metadata from the entity. You can add it there also. Go to the here. What the city? Yeah, Seattle. Add a Seattle. For employee 1, it's Seattle.
Okay.
Go to the metadata. Yeah, go to, sorry, this is the entity set, not a metadata. Employee 2. I think
By 3 years.
Kirkland. Okay.
Okay. And
And
one more,
another
right?
one more. Yes. Redmond. Okay.
Yeah.
Save it. This is also required. Make it as required. Okay. No problem. Just make it as required and save it again. Can you collapse this data to display? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will find here the configuration. Okay. Save it.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to that location underscore AG process. Yeah. Here you have created a trigger form. Now you
Yes.
have to check. Yes. Now you have to check whether the actions that you have created that is working in our process. Okay. For that, how you will check the actions is working or not? You have to define. You have to add one process as action. Then you have to check by passing an employee ID whether it's working or not. Okay. Okay, for that, what we have to do, click on the plus icon. Choose action. It's a blank action. Scroll, yes. Browse from library. Okay. Browse from library. You know what the name that have been created for the actions, right? That you should remember here. This is the old one. Accessing Northwind API is the old one. Scroll down, or you can go and check the scroll down.
I think this is the one.
Yeah. No. Yes. Correct.
Actions.
Yes. Northwind underscore API underscore actions. Yeah, add it.
Yeah.
Now it will add an action. I will set the destination variable. Create a destination. Click on create. Okay. Just give Northwind underscore test. Northwind underscore DEST. No, not test D. Instead of T, make it as D. D as Denmark. Yes, DEST.
Others, where we need to create this JSON on the top of
This action, right? Have you
destination.
created? No. Have you created an action?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Once you created an action, then you click on that, you will get an general, in a general destination variable. Just we are creating a destination variable.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Okay, there is a destination variable drop down. Once you select,
Uh.
you will get a create destination variable option. Click on the create destination variable option and add a name as per your wish. Not you should not use. It's not mandatory to use this
Okay.
value. You can add as per your wish. Okay. Okay. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Destination variable we are creating.
yes. Okay. Go to inputs. Yeah. Here you have to map an input as employee ID from the trigger form. Yes. Okay. Now save it. Save the process.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Saved.
we have it, release this version and deploy it. We will first check whether the data from the entity that is performing in this and we are getting or not. Okay, deploy it.
Right? Northwind.
Destination Northwind. Actually, no, use existing value.
This one, right?
This is the one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to the process and take the link. Not here, not here. Go to the employee underscore AG. Okay, here.
That's 1 minute. Sorry to interrupt. After creating, we need to release and deploy that.
Release and deploy it is. Okay, go to location underscore AG. Click on that process location. Yes.
Yeah. Go.
Click on the trigger form. Now you will
Yeah,
get a link.
this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Give the employee ID as the information.
Any employee ID, right?
Any employee ID is fine. First, you check whether that employee 12 is there in a metadata in an entity. Go to that metadata that yeah. Click on Control F and check whether the employee ID is there or not. If you check 12, it will give many instances. Copy that employee ID and make it as 12.
Okay. Or else I can give it some other values, right?
Yes.
Okay.
No, no. Akshat, the 4563 is not a correct one. That's what.
So do I need to select it from here? Any value?
Yes. You have to get it from here because we are accessing this via the bill process automation, right? Then you need to give what the employee ID versus in this entity set that you have to give it there. Then only it will work. Then only it will get an data of those employee ID.
Okay. One.
Okay.
I have mentioned one here.
Okay.
And country should be this only, right?
Country is fine. For this, only the employee ID is the key value. You can give the country as per your wish. That's not it.
current city should be this.
Yeah. Not current city also fine. Other than employee ID.
Okay.
you can
Other than
use
employee,
any
we
other
can
one.
mention anything. All right. Okay.
Yeah. Only the employee ID is the key parameter for this entity set.
Okay.
Okay.
Submit, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to monitor.
From here, right?
Not here. In the build, the second tab, in the second browser tab is there. Yes. Go to monitoring in the left side. There is a monitoring option.
Got it.
Yes.
Got it. Got it.
Others, before going to this monitor, may I share my screen for 2 minutes?
Yes.
Okay. Anyhow, we are approving that in the monitor, right? Before approving, I will share my screen. Okay. 2 minutes.
No, actually, we have not used any forms here. Go to monitor.
Let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
So I have given some destination variable like this.
Okay.
And input here, okay. And I saved it and released it this, okay.
Okay.
So now I'm going insert. Now I'm trying to deploy this.
Okay. Deploy it.
Public, right?
Public, yes.
So which one you need to select?
Use existing value, yes. Here,
But
what the destination that you have created here?
It's
What?
not showing.
Okay. I think it should be shown. Some of the destination improving. Okay. I think the actions. What are the actions that you have created here? Or once you release this.
This one.
Ganesh, try to refresh it.
Where
Refresh.
to here?
Refresh. Yes. Now do that.
No, Pooja, not able to see. And this is the action which I create.
Okay, this is the action. Notepad underscore AP underscore. Okay. Go to that. Try to refresh the whole page. Not here, the whole page.
Where
This browser tab
this,
itself.
okay, this one.
Yes. And can you check whether you have opened this process employee underscore Gani, that project in any other tab?
This.
This is fine. This is fine. What
No,
was the
only these 3 employees. SAP build one and this one and the actions.
actions? Okay, fine. Now you can check in that second. Yes. Now you can while deploying. Is there any scroll option? Can you scroll it there?
No, it's not.
Scroll option is not there. Variables. Okay, 1.0. I think you can use.
Everything is fine here, right?
Everything is fine here. Click on that get entity from employee by key. Click on that action. Okay, you have given north underscore dist underscore Gani. Fine. This is fine. Deploy. Click on deploy. I think This is the what you have created a destination. Have you created a destination in a cockpit, Ganesh?
Yes, yes.
Not here, not
Oh.
here. Asking in a BTP cockpit. There, not here also. Can you go to the BTP cockpit URL? I think you have closed the tab. Here in the destination left side, there is a connectivity, right? And yes, destination. Have you created a destination here?
You can see here more data this one.
Okay. Can you see the same name there?
This one. No, I'm not able to see when deploying, right?
Hmm.
No, I are not able to see that.
Okay. By creating an action, have you used that same this destination name, the same destination name?
In action. Where can we check that?
Go to actions.
Uh,
You go to the overview. Have you tested the action?
see where
Okay. Okay. Go to the SAP build, the first tab. First tab. Hmm. Okay. Go to control tower. Have you added the destination to this build? Yeah. Click on destination. The only one destination is added here. I think we have missed this. Okay, this is also data. Okay, click on add. Select your destination which you have added with. The third one, I think, right? Yeah. Okay. Next.
that's it, only one.
Hmm?
Next one.
Next.
This only all in one bit, right?
Yes. You can add destination. Click on add destination. Yeah. Guys, actually, you need to add a destination here, guys. Can everyone do this step as well? Actually, I think we have missed this step. You need to
Okay.
add a destination to this. Okay. Go and add all the destinations that you have created with your name. Okay. Now go to the actions, Ganesh. Okay, now it's been the actions is there. Can you click on that publish drop down? Go to editable version. Go to overview. Okay. Got it. Then how we are getting that without open underscore API underscore actions. Fine. Okay. I think go to actions once again. That action tab. Next to that, you having action tab. Right? Yes. Have you tested it where you are getting the values right?
Yes. I see in the values. While giving employee one, right? I see that one.
Okay, fine. Okay, release this. Now you will find the destination, your name that we have added, right?
Okay. Bug fix.
Hmm. Hmm. Go to this employees. Yeah, publish this. Publish this. Yes.
Okay. So now may I try to deploy it or what?
Refresh it and deploy it.
No others. It's not coming here.
Okay.
So Adarsh, how come this minus coming here? This employee underscore AG?
Append underscore test. Hmm. Can you go to your destination, Ganesh? Can you click on edit? What are the additional properties that you have added is fine, right? The additional properties, can you go to the additional properties? This is Tamil's one, I think this is a Tamil iPhone Northwind.
Okay, yes, sir.
Click on cancel and go to yours. Here in the bottom you have a cancel option. Yes. Hmm.
It's mine only.
Yes, this is yours. SAP build process automation. Can you the first drop down, the additional properties, SAP dot build the process, not the last one. Last one, and we check the last one. Okay.
It's fine. I think I checked the test also. Checking something. It's
Okay,
giving.
save it. Wait. Let me check once. Give me a minute. I will check it once. Ganesh, go to the build lobby, that project. You can cancel this. No need to do anything. You can cancel this. Go to the second tab in the browser. Second tab.
Employee this one.
Yes. Refresh it once again. Whether this is okay. Deploy it. Click on deploy. Yeah. See, wait a minute. There are two options that it's asking. Here you can see the destination that you have created. This is a destination. That is a variable that you have created there. Oh, got it right. Ideally, you should.
Oh, yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, you should give the destination only. Yes. Click on that
Okay.
and deploy it. Go to SAP build. Yeah, monitor only, correct. It should be ideally complete. Okay. Location underscore Gani is the one. Yes. If you see here, go to the context. You can see all the information related to employee ID 1. Right?
Yes.
Yes. This is what we have to check it first. Once you created an action, first you have to check it whether you are able to retrieve all the data via that API and the destination that we have created via the in the cockpit. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is my trigger form.
Okay. Have you triggered it?
Oh, actually, I was just checking the status. See, this
That's
is
what
it is an error state.
you have triggered it. It was in error state. Okay. Yeah. Can you go to the context?
Which one?
Not here, in the right side.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You had only the employee ID, but the actions is in error state. Okay. What are all the other process are in error state? Location. Thumbnail is also okay. Scroll down.
Okay.
I think more process are in error state, right? Okay. Why you are getting an error in the sense? Have you added the destination to the build?
Yeah,
Progress build?
so you were referring to this one, right? Just give me a moment.
Yeah, others post adding that destination while deploying that, like you suggested for Ganesh, it's going through success.
This one, right? Destination.
Hmm. Okay, Tamil.
And here, I think this one I was already assigned to.
Okay, this you have created fine, but go to
Mhm.
the build ACP, the second tab in the browser. Can you
Okay.
go to there? Okay, here if you see, go to the control tower.
Yeah, destination, right?
No. Yes, destinations. Yes.
Yeah. So here,
Then
yeah,
here,
this one is mine. The
this
first
one
one.
is yours.
I already assigned
Okay.
it.
You have assigned it. Okay, fine. Then go to your project that you have created.
Project. This one?
Yes. Can you redeploy it once again?
Okay.
While redeploying it, don't give this existing value. Go to that set new value, the before option. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Choose your
And here,
destination.
yeah, this one is mine.
Click on deploy.
Okay.
Okay.
Shall I go and check again?
You have to trigger it again.
Got it. Overview.
Others, we can refresh that last tab.
Sorry, Tamil. But
No, sorry, I'm saying to our Axel, sorry. Axel, you can refresh the last tab.
This one?
Oh, the last one.
I didn't get you.
Sorry. That I thought that this last tab was the trigger form. Sorry. That was
go to the trigger. No, in location underscore AG.
Yeah.
Click on the trigger. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
will get a link.
Okay.
Now go to context, monitor, and context.
Yeah.
It will be in completed state.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Now go to the context and check.
Yeah.
You will find all the employee details there. Yes.
Understood. Now it is clear.
Now we are getting this right. Okay.
Right.
You have to create a data type because next to this we are going to add a decision. From the decision we are going to perform a 3 scenarios on the years, and we are going to use multiple forms in the decision as well. Okay.
Okay. So I need to go here, build process, right?
First, go to overview and create a data type.
Okay.
Click create data type.
Yeah.
This is a input data type, right? Okay, give us location, relocation underscore input, and click another one data type as relocation underscore output.
Okay. So here this information. Okay.
Now add a fields
Sorry.
in an input data type.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Add a field. There is a new field option in the left.
Okay.
Yes. Now we have to add a fields. I will give the field
Current
name.
location, right?
No. It's a different one. Let me give you the new the field names. You can add it according to
Shall I take it from here?
that will not work. Actually,
Okay.
first one, add a field in an input data type. Add a field name as hire date.
Here.
Yes. Hire date.
IND.
Hire. HIRE. Hire date. Hire date, not hire date. Hiring date. What's the
Okay.
hiring date?
Hiring date.
Yes.
Okay.
Date, not day. Date. No. Click on that first. Yes. Add it.
Okay.
Okay. Now choose the type as date or time. Date or time. Time as well.
Why it is again?
Why it's not accepting? Hiring space date will not work. You have to give underscore in between.
Yeah. It's here now.
And add another one is new location as string.
Sorry.
New
location.
New location. No, I think this is the
Sorry.
data type details. Yes. Then the data type name has been it's changed. Akshat, if you see in the top, there it's yeah. You have where you have clicked earlier.
Okay.
This is a field details. Okay.
These two other field details. Yes, right.
Yes, these two are the field details. Now you need to change the name of the data type.
Right. Input location, right?
This is a field details. No, close this. Click. Yeah. Now you change the data type name. This is the data type details. Not here. Don't click on please. Don't click on that. Actually, you are getting. I think you are not getting my point. See here, there are three tabs that you have opened, right? Right now, we are performing the actions in a new location, but ideally, that new location has to be changed. That rule relocation underscore input. Earlier, it was relocation underscore input. I think for some of the instances, it has been changed. Not don't give new. Don't change this one. Just to close this.
Yeah. Now I need to give, right?
Yeah, you need to change it now. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Okay, fine. The next one is current city.
Oh, okay.
Current city as string.
Okay.
New field.
Yeah.
Current country. As string. Yeah. New field. First name.
Okay.
New field.
Mhm.
Last name.
All right.
Yes. Yeah. Now you have all those details. Save it.
Do we need to take these fields as a list, or it will be no?
No, no, no.
Yeah.
This is fine.
Okay. Okay. Save. I have saved it.
Okay. Similarly, create on another data type and name it as relocation underscore output.
Okay. Yeah, here it is.
Add a new field. Add a variable as eligible. Give the type as Boolean.
Type as
Boolean.
Boolean.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Click on new field. Okay. Rework. Rework.
Rework.
Yes. Rework. Yes.
Okay. A string or
Type as Boolean. Same Boolean.
okay.
Comments.
New field, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Comments.
String.
Comments is string. Yeah.
Save.
And another one new field.
Yeah.
Decision. It is also string.
This is a string.
Yes.
Save,
And the
right?
name. Same is fine. String is fine. Yeah. Add another one is name.
Name.
Yes.
Okay.
It's also string. Yes. Okay. Now save this. We have one minute. We have eligible, reword, comments, decision, and name. Got it. Okay. Save this.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have created input and output data type. Next we have to create a decision. There we have to add those inputs and outputs. Okay.
Okay.
Go to overview. Click create and decision. New decision as
Relocation.
relocation underscore decision.
Okay. Create.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have the decision. We have the three main steps that we have to follow, right? Okay. Scroll to the left, or you can Expand the right pane to the full screen one. Full screen. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Now you need to add a input parameters. Okay. Add a input parameter. Just give the name as per you wish. You can give rule underscore input like that. Yes. Rule underscore input. And the description. Anything is fine. Choose relocation. Yes. Okay. Now scroll down. Add a output parameter as well. Rule underscore output. Output. Yes. Okay. Now
Save.
go to save it first. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to the second tab, rules. Yes. Add rule. This is decision table. Employee relocation decision table. Scroll down. The description I think you have to give. If you scroll down.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now in the rule input, don't select these values. We are going to add different values here. Okay.
Okay.
I will tell what are all the values that we are going to add here. Scroll down. You
Yes.
can delete all the things. All these things you can delete it. You can see in the right side. If you scroll to the right, you can see the delete option. Yes.
All these.
Guys, you are following, right? We have created the steps you are following, or we are going too fast?
Yeah. Please check with me.
What, Ganesh?
No, we are following. Just if it is good to like go slowly, little bit. That's it.
Okay, okay,
Okay. We are following. Okay, we are on the same way.
okay, fine. Sure, sure. He will be going a little bit slow.
Yeah. So I have deleted everything from here.
You have deleted everything. Okay. Now you have this empty values, right? In this, actually, you have to give a new value. What the new value means in that type as year. YEAR. In that blank value, type a year.
Okay. What should I give?
Are you able to find the year? Scroll down. Time and duration functions are there, right? Please go slow. Others are also following us. No.
Time and duration here. Yeah.
Yeah. Here, type as year. YEAR, year.
Okay.
Delete
Just
one
give-
more.
Yeah.
Yes. The
Year,
selected.
right?
Yes, year.
Okay.
Okay. It the bracket is there. Okay. The round brace is now. Type today.
Okay.
Select it and close this. Go to miscellaneous operation. If you scroll down in these suggestions, yes, there will be a bracket, the round braces, right parenthesis. Yeah, click on that.
Okay.
Close this. Now go to the mathematical operators.
Mathematical operators. Okay.
Click on subtract.
Okay.
Again here.
Okay.
Now rule input. Click that rule input.
Rule input this one, right?
Not here, not here. In that suggestions itself.
Okay,
if you
sorry.
see,
Sorry. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, rule input dot higher date.
Hiring date. Okay.
Yeah, higher date.
Hiring date.
Yes,
Yeah,
higher
hiring date.
date.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Now close this. Use a right parenthesis. In a miscellaneous operator, you will see that right parenthesis.
Close.
Yes.
So can't we type it here manually, like using keyboard?
Yeah, that's also possible. Sometimes it won't accept that the manual typing. What it will do, it will give you an error. Then you could not find which the actual which variable that you have typed is an error item. So that we are using these suggestions for now. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now click on escape. The suggestion will go. What happened?
You asked me to click on escape, right?
Okay. Everything is gone, huh? Now. Okay, now add a rule. Let's
Again.
add a name. Yeah. Escape. The suggestion only it will go. Why it's canceling it? Okay. Okay, just add a rule. Add a rule. Add a rule name. Relocation underscore decision. Type a description. Delete all the things. You didn't click any that rule input, right? I think
No,
it's not there. Okay.
No.
Okay, fine. Scroll down. Click here. Sorry, type on here. OEAR. Scroll down.
Just give me a minute. Yeah.
Year of today.
Okay.
Close this with right parenthesis.
Yeah.
Mathematical operators. Subtract.
Rule input.
Not rule input. Year.
Okay. Year. Okay.
Rule input dot hiring date.
Hiring date.
And close this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, add one more row in the bottom. What you can do give in the bottom. Rule input dot new location.
Rule input new location. Okay.
Yeah, rule input dot rule. Yes. New location. In this, select a new location.
Okay.
Okay. Go to next step. The input parameters that we have added. Guys, is that fine, right? You have added everything. Ganesh, Puja, Tamil.
Yes.
We can
Okay,
move to the
next,
next step, right?
Yes, yes, others.
Yes.
Okay.
There, choose that rule output.
Okay.
Now select all these.
Select all, right? Okay.
Now check whether the empty values is also selected. Scroll down.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, uncheck it. Now next step.
Okay.
Okay, this is fine. You have a year and a new location, eligible, rework, commands, decision, and name. Okay. Click create.
Okay.
Now you have to add a first row. Okay. For that, what you do? Yes.
Shall I add? Already
No,
there,
no,
I
no, no.
think.
This is fine. This is fine. This is the first row is fine. No problem. I'm thinking I can directly give it as an Excel value. You can upload it. Okay. Let's see. Greater than or is equal to 1.
Okay.
Okay. In the first input, you add a greater than or is equal to 1. Then in the second column, in an in rule
New
input
location.
yeah, here is equal to concat
Sorry.
concat CON.
Okay.
Yeah, choose that concat of rule input dot current city, comma, space, single quotes, open and close the single quotes,
Okay.
space,
Okay.
comma, not parenthesis, comma,
Comma.
rule input dot current country,
Okay.
and close this parenthesis.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Guys, you have added the same condition, right? Open that, Akshay.
1 minute, just open that once again.
Akshay, can you open that? Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Here it is.
So in the year we need to give what is that?
Greater than or is equal to 1.
1 meter. Let me give that first off.
Hmm.
Greater than or equals to 1. Okay. And in the
In the new location column, you give the same is equal to concat of rule.
new location. Can you just minimize this exit once? In which row you have added this?
Sorry, what, Ganesh?
Akshat, can you please make it full screen?
Full
Yes.
screen.
New location. Okay, 1 minute.
Now it is visible.
You have added the input to new location, right? While adding the input.
No, I think I have not added. Only I have added here. That's it. 1 minute.
Okay, you need to add another one. Rule input dot new location in an input.
May I share my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Just let me know once you are able to see my screen. Okay.
Yeah, here you have added only this thing, right? Okay. And here should not be like this.
Here. Okay.
Okay. Now what you do? Edit this. Go to edit. There's a edit option, right? Go to next step. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. Okay. Here add another one. There is a use yes. Click on that. But rule underscore input. Just type rule. Yeah. Select that rule underscore input. Yes.
Okay.
Here
Which one?
you add a new location. It was added 2 times. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Here I
Okay,
have
yeah.
added that bracket.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, year of today. 1 minute, I will check it. Year of today, open and close, and right parenthesis, subtraction of year. Okay, this is fine. The hiring date. Okay. Next step. Rework eligible comments and decision name. Rework eligible comments, decision name. You have to select it.
That's
Where
it.
comments is there?
Yes, here. I selected already.
Okay. Click on next step.
Finish.
Now you could see the 2 columns of input and the 5 columns of output. Yeah, this is fine. Finish.
Okay, now greater than or equals to this one, and what we need to give in the new location?
Here, is equal to, first you can use is equal to, equal. Concat. Select that concat. No, you have to select that options. Then only it will give the delete this concat. Yeah. Select that. It will give the option. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. Employee. Rule input dot current city, comma, space,
after comma space, okay.
Single quote, open and close the single quote.
Okay. Okay.
Comma, rule input dot current country. Yeah. Now close this. Close it with the right parenthesis. Okay. This is fine.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. What we are doing, we are concatenating with the current country as well as the city. Okay, this operation will perform in a rule itself directly. Okay.
Okay.
Others here, what's the importance of that blank value?
Okay. Which blank value?
Between the city and the country. In the
we are
concat
adding a space. Just we are adding a space there, empty space.
Yeah, what's the significance for that?
If there is once we have not given any space, it won't be like getting an output. Okay, so that we are adding a space here to separate those 2 parameters.
Okay, thank you.
Now, in the result, you can give us eligible. It's a rework, right? A rework, you can give us true. In the result, true. Not true. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, in the eligible.
In the eligible as same, true.
A Boolean type.
Yes. The commands requested location is same as current location.
Same as current location.
Yes, same as current location.
Okay.
Give it in a single quote.
Okay. Text right. Okay. And decision.
This isn't just blank value. You can give us a blank value. It's not needed. Okay.
Name.
Yeah. We are going to concatenating a first name as well as the last name. Okay. Now concat. Concat of it's to first rule input dot first name.
Space. Here to go.
Comma. Yes. Rule input dot last name.
Last name.
Last name. I think you have not added. Click on more.
No, it says more.
Last name. Okay.
Okay, I'm closing the brackets.
This is fine. You can close this. Yeah. Click on save, Ganesh. Or is it?
So what you have given the comments? Actually, I missed this point.
Yeah. Comments. Open the comments.
Requested location same as current location.
Tamil, you have given the same, right?
Yes, others.
Okay. The name is also you could find, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think it's we are end to the
Saved.
time. Yeah. You have saved it, right?
And what is in the name underscore this Ganesh? This concat.
Yeah.
Concat, open the bracket.
Okay, first name and the last name. Okay.
Yes, you need to concat rule input first name and the rule input last name.
Okay, I have saved it. Yeah.
You have saved it, right? Okay.